Something crunchy is coming to Ridgelawn. Hey, Ridgelawn Eagles, Addie here with a seriously amazing challenge. We're building the biggest cereal box domino chain ever, and you can help. Bring in your favorite cereal boxes and help us make domino history. Line 'em up, knock 'em down. Addie's back to run the town. Boxes topple left and right. Eagles soaring, what a sight. Cereal power, we're eagle strong. Join the fun, come on along. Cereal power, the eagle crew. The domino challenge is waiting for you. Bring your cereal boxes by October 31st. Let's soar